really no big difference. Love is love anyway. Why was I born this way? There must be a reason why the words are so hard to say. I can barely open up my mouth. On a rocket into outer space, I'm picking and dropping the things on my way. I'm moving fast and then accelerate. Everything's always changing, nothing stays the same. I don't wanna be the color of my skin. I don't wanna be my ancestors' sins. The stereotypes keep fucking with life, so I just wanna be me. I want you to accept me for who I am. Maybe there's a possibility that you might understand. I got myself today collected in a little pile. Who I am is hard to say. The assembling procedure will take a while. On a rocket into outer space, I'm picking and dropping things on my way. I'm moving fast and then accelerating.